Hey everybody, we're back to continue on with our commercial Revit project. So today we're going to look at our HVAC. So here we got our drawings all set up nicely. So I'm going to go here, select mechanical, and I want to go into our level 1 ceiling. And so here we are. I placed several items in here. These are supply diffusers, exhaust diffusers, and there's just another one here. This is a mechanical upblast for the roof. So these families were found here. You know how to find families. I don't want to waste your time, but just in case, I know in 2023, it's done from here. And I went in, this is the last thing I pulled out, but I pulled these out prior to, and basically everything is going to be sitting under MEP. Let's see. Let's go back. No, we want to be out of plumbing. We want to go into mechanical. So the majority of these families will be in the mechanical MEP. So let's set the mechanical and MEP, and they will be under air handling units. And back again, they will also find them air terminals. Okay, so now let's go on here. I'm just going to go and start adding my diffused air. So I'll just right click here and I'll create similar. And just place these guys in here, just to strategically displace. I'll put one maybe here. And here. So these sometimes go by your window here and here. Now sometimes you might want to have an underlay, and I use them often for something like this. So we go on our properties here, and we'll look at underlay. We have none, but I'm going to select here, and I'm going to go look at level 1 underlay. So there's level 1 if you want to use it for reference. And now here on the bottom here, we have this select underlay elements. So I can toggle that on or off. Right now it's on, and as you can see, let's see, it's not okay. As you can see, I can grab these elements now in case I need to do something with them. And then here, I can toggle it off where I won't touch it. But I don't really need an underlay for this particular assignment that we're working on. I don't know what that is. So I'm going to remove this. None. Oh, I know what that is. Oh, get all these out of here. This is level 1. Yes. I want to see these there. Let's go back to level 2. Uh-oh, I deleted them out. Uh-oh. Oh, I should be in level 1. My bad. Okay. Let me just delete these out. And these are just for my reference. This is level 1. If you seal it, it'll be level 1. Seal it. So now, and I'll just copy these guys through here. No big deal. Let's go basically, or you can go up here, Systems tab, Air Terminal, and just up in there, over there. So basically, lay these out, and here you want to put one in this room. I don't remember what this is, but if you want to remember what it is, you can always do the underlay, which is probably what I should have kept on, but I don't think I need it. Then we'll do 4 in here. So these are for diffused air in there. Well, this is supply air. The arrow points out is always supply. We're going to bathrooms here. Put one there. these are big 2x2. So I'm going to just create similar here. And I'm going to drop these bad boys. So I'm going to lay these guys out. And then I'll do the first floor. Then we look at the air handling units. And I'll show you a few more little things here that I think is new to 2023. Because I know this guy right here was kind of new to me. Well, I don't know. I've been building families and other things, but anybody got any comments or suggestions, please feel free. I'll drop one here and another one here. It doesn't, well, kind of matters. Okay, now I've got, let's go down here now. There. There. Okay, put another one here. Guess we need a few in here because of the windows. Maybe one there and one there. And then we'll just take one piece in here. Sort of slap these bad boys right on grid. Okay, now I'm going to finish this. I'm going to do this first floor together with you guys, so you know how to handle the second floor. And then I'll do 3 in here. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so we got the first floor. Okay, we need some over here as well. Place these sometime, you know, right by a window or something like that, maybe. There. We'll do another one here. And maybe put it on that grid. Yeah. And then you can do things. You can align these guys. There you go, line there, and there to there. And we'll move this guy over here. Okay, so now I've got my first floor done. Create similar. Uh-oh, that's the family. I don't want to be there. Sorry. No. Okay, just go back to systems, air terminal, to be on the safe side, and just drop these 3 right here. Now, before I move on to the next floor, I'm going to do that one, and we're going to go into the air handling units next. So this is the first floor layout, basically. That's what you're going to get here. This is our first floor layout, and nothing's going on in here. So now what I want to do here now, I want to go into the bathroom areas. And in these bathrooms, we're going to need like we don't need such a bigger unit. So I'm going to take this guy on the edit. You know what I'm going to do? I said, this is what I'm going to do here. I'm going to go and get the default exhaust now. These are the diffusers. So I'm going to go in here. I'm going to go, where is my systems? Component, place component, hopefully it's there. There's the supply diffuser. When I go get an exhaust now. Where is it? There it is. I want the exhaust diffuser. Now you see these arrows are pointing in. I would think they'd be a little around, but that's how it goes. That's what it says. So I'm gonna select. I'm gonna just place this one right here in the bathroom area. Then I want to select this guy and I want to duplicate him. And type properties. Let's go duplicate. And so now we're going to call this one. This is a 24 by 24. So I'm going to just call this. Let's call this workplace exhaust. Keep it simple. We'll call it 12 by 12 exhaust diffuser. Diffuser. Now here we need to change this to 1 and 1, 12 inches, whatever. Then we click apply. Okay. Okay, so now we reduce the size of that. We didn't need it that big, and then we need to select it here. And what you want to do here, you just want to tick these 4 boxes here. These are basically those arrows. I'm click apply. And then here, I'm going to change the CFMs to 225. To 225 CFMs, click apply. And there, we're good to go. So now here in the properties, we select this guy, and this is our exhaust fan. So now that's it for this level. We might want to copy these in all 4 bathrooms, so copy this one over here as well. So hey guys, thanks for watching this video. Do the second level, and I'll meet you up there. Then we do the air handling. So hey guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe. It helps me make videos like this every day. Everybody be safe. Bye.